Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the features you need. Open Settings and turn on Linux Beta. First, so you can run native or containerized tools. Next, make sure the Play Store is enabled and you're signed into your Google account, because Android versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint can run offline. Then download or copy your Office APKs or export cloud documents to the local downloads folder. This ensures you have installers and files available without internet access. Once done, install Office. Prefer the Play Store for Android apps, or use the Files app to open and install a downloaded APK. If using Linux, install the desktop Office-compatible suite or use Wine/Crossover. Make sure you grant storage and offline permissions so documents can be saved locally. Sign into your Microsoft account one time while online to activate licenses, then open each app while connected so licenses and recent files cache. After you finish by saving active work to local folders like Downloads or your Linux home so files remain accessible without internet. If an app complains about license or file access, force close it and reopen to reload cached credentials and file handles. Make sure to reconnect briefly if required, then sign out and back into Microsoft to refresh activation. This fixes most offline access errors. If nothing helps, check Play Store updates or reinstall the app while online to restore offline functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.